What's up everybody, welcome to Money Management channel. My name is Andrei and today I'm gonna be doing an update on HCMC stock. And before we get into all of that, if you guys would like to earn 2 free stocks with WeBull, valued up to $1,850, please check out that link in the description below. All you have to do is sign up for an account, deposit $100 and choose your free stocks. That's it. And let's continue with a brief summary about this company. Choices Management Corp is a holding company which focuses on providing consumers with healthier daily choices with respect to nutrition and other lifestyle alternatives. It operates through the following segments: grocery and vapor. And let's jump into their press release section. Right here we have recent news that was published on May the 5th, and it's titled Choices Management Corp informs stockholders of key dates and terms related to announced rights offering. And here is this press release. We have several major bullets and I will cover it in a minute, and two major key points. That record date established as May 18th, 2021, and the second key point is to be a shareholder of record, investors are advised to own HCMC stock by 4 p.m. Eastern Time, Friday, May 14th, 2021, to account for T, trade plus 2 settlement timing. This means you have to own HCMC stock by May 14th in order to be eligible to participate in this rights offering. And let me quote you this. Under the proposed rights offering, HCMC will distribute one non-transferable subscription right for each 4 shares of common stock held by a stockholder on the record date of May 18, 2021. Each subscription right will entitle the holder to purchase 1 share of HCMC common stock at a subscription price equal to 75% of the volume-weighted average of the trading prices of our common stock on the OTC pink sheets for the 5 consecutive trading days ending on the expiration date of this rights offering, which equates to a 25% discount to the VWAP calculation. In other words, for example, you have 1,000 shares of HCMC and you have it at the date of May 14th. This means on May 18th, on a record date, you will be able to purchase 250 shares more, but the price of these shares will be 25% lower than the current price for the 5 consecutive trading days. And on the other hand, let me show you this. Holders who exercise their subscription rights in full will be entitled, if available, to subscribe for additional units that are not purchased by other stockholders on a pro rata basis and subject to ownership limitations. This is referred to as the oversubscription right. This means if you want to buy more shares with a discount of 25%, and it will be a technical opportunity to do so, then you will be able to make a purchase. And that's why I think it is a very good opportunity for existing shareholders to even increase their position at a lower price. So let's continue with the dates of this proposal. Friday, May 14th, 2021, ownership day. In order to be considered a stockholder on record on May 18th, 2021, shares should be acquired by May 14th, 2021. Tuesday, May 18th, 2021. It is the record date itself. Wednesday, May 19th, 2021, distribution date, subscription period begins. And the Thursday, June the 3rd, 2021, subscription period ends 5 p.m. Eastern Time, unless extended at HCMC's sole discretion. So, in my opinion, it is a very good opportunity for existing shareholders to purchase more shares at the lower prices. And this rising capital allows HCMC to increase their position on the market, because they will have about $100 million, and this money will drastically enhance their position. So what news do we have on top of this? Basically, we don't have new filings on the Pace Monitor, and this news is related to HCMC and Philip Morris lawsuit. As you can see, we still have April 19th, the latest filing right here, and in my opinion, we will see the decision of judge by the end of May. And that's why I think this month is a key point for this company. On top of that, we all awaiting Q1 earnings report. And some sources tells us that they switch the date of this earnings report on 17th of May. But some sources tell us that it might be on the 10th of May. So we have this week. It is a key week, in my opinion, key point for HCMC company, because on this week we might have several good news. First of all, it might be a decision of Mr. Timothy C. Barton, and second one, it might be rather good earnings report Q1 2021. Let's continue with the technical analysis, but before we dive deep right here, please subscribe to my channel, hit notification bell and hit the like button. It helps me a lot. So, on my previous video, I drew this line. It was a trend line, and for now the price is hovering at $0.002 mark, and we broke this trend line. It doesn't mean that we might go lower. It means that we have a pause in our up movement. So we don't need this one. But for now we hovering right at the level of very strong support / resistance. Right here we have this line as a resistance. Here it was a resistance as well. Here we poke it through and bounce back. Here resistance, resistance, and now we have this line as a major support. In my opinion, we might hold this line quite some time until we will have earnings report or until we will have the decision of Mr. Timothy C. Barton. And in my opinion, basically, I think the judge will push this lawsuit to the trial, and it will be very good opportunity for HCMC to win this lawsuit. Well, for those of you who hold your position from this point or from this point, who later buys down and have an average price of $0.0012, for you it is nothing to worry about, because you're up about 57%. And even if we go lower, and even if we hit next right here, next support / resistance, it will be still a very good opportunity for you to have this position. And for those of you who want to invest in this company, you have to remember that this asset is extremely volatile. That's why you have to follow my 3 simple rules. Do not put the money that you are not willing to lose. Second one, do not go all in. And third one, do not put stop loss close to your entry price. And with these rules, if you add your position and if you realize all the risks that might be in this investment process, then you're free to do it. And basically, if we go lower, you will be able to ladder your buys down, and if we will go higher, you have tiny position from this point, and on every pullback you might add to your position. So with that being said, please subscribe to my channel, hit notification bell and hit the like button. It helps me a lot. See you guys and girls next time. Bye.